Java oops concepts, Java oops concepts. Tell me, Madhvi, what is oops? Oops stands for Swapna. Oops stands for
Object-oriented programming.
what about yes? Object-oriented programming. Sindhu. Object-oriented programming system. See, 4 fundamentals of oops. 4 fundamentals. Tell me, Shalini, what are the 4 fundamentals of oops? Inheritance. Next.
Polymorphism.
Yes, polymorphism. In introduction chapter, roadmap chapter, I have given brief idea. Polymorphism.
Encapsulation.
Abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction. Next, encapsulation. Okay. These are the 4 fundamentals of oops. First, inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Snehal, what is inheritance?
Sir, it is inheriting or reusing the superclass members.
Inheriting
One
means
class to another
reusing.
class.
Inheriting means reusing. Inheriting from superclass to subclass.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See.
One class to another class.
One class to another class. Swapna, have any idea what is inheritance in object-oriented programming system? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. So using inheritance, we can create classes that are built upon existing classes.
Okay.
And
creating classes
we can also reuse methods and fields from parent class.
Yes, creating classes is not the primary thing. Reusing class members is the primary concept. See, it is a process of inheriting. Concentrate. It is a process of inheriting. Inheriting means reusing. It is a process of inheriting the class members. Madhvi, what are class members? What are class members? Snehal. Class members.
Methods.
Methods.
Variables.
Yes, variables and methods. Variables and methods are called as class members. See, it is a process of inheriting the class members. from one class to another, from one class to another class is called inheritance. Okay. Next, non-static class members only. See, we have two types of class members. Static class members, non-static class members. Static class members class level, non-static class members object level. See, non-static class members only can be inherited. Non-static class members, say object level. Next, the class from where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass. See, the class where, see, just a minute, where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass. Superclass or parent class, or you can say base class. Next, the class to which the class members are getting inherited is called as subclass or child class or derived class. See, the class members, the class to which the class members are getting inherited is called subclass or child class or derived class. Okay. See, the inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword. See, one more point. The inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword, reserved word. Okay. Okay, now these points, Madhavi.
Yes.
Tell me what is inheritance? Quick.
Reusing.
Your voice is breaking. Okay, Sindhu, you continue. What is inheritance? Swapna, you continue. What is inheritance and how to achieve it?
Sir, inheritance, it is a process of inheriting or reusing the class members from one class to another class.
Next, how to achieve? Using extends keyword.
Extends keyword, yeah.
Extends keyword. And one condition we applied regarding this class members. What is that condition?
The class to which the class members are getting inherited.
That is not the concept. See, class members, two types: static class members, non-static. Here one condition we used. What is that condition? Limitation is there for inheritance. Limitation is there for inheritance. What is that limitation? Snehal, what is the limitation of inheritance regarding class members?
Only non-static class member. Only non-static class member can be inherited.
Inherited. Static class members not inherited. Okay. Say static class members, non-static class members. Static class members, non-static class members. How to access static class members? How to access static class members? See. How to use static class members. Next, how to use non-static class members. How to use non-static class members. Say using object or instance of class. Instance. We can access non-static class members. Shalini, what about static class members? How to access?
Using methods.
Using methods. No. Sindhu, how to access static class members? Okay. Using class name. Using class name, we can access static class members. See, I will show example. Concentrate. Example. See.
How do we know non-static or static class?
How do you know?
Non-static and static class.
No static or non-static classes. Only class members only, static, non-static.
Yeah.
For classes, no such type of segregation, Madhavi. There is no static class and non-static class. Classes two types: concrete class,
class members.
Abstract class. Now we are discussing concrete classes, means complete classes. Okay. Regarding class members,
how do we differentiate
how to create class level variables using static keyword na? See, in this example I am going to show that one using static keyword. Int a equal to 10, next b equal to 20, semicolon. These are static variables, class level variables. Next, suppose int c equal to 30, next d equal to 40. Continue, Madhavi. These are static or non-static?
Non-static.
Just a minute, why it is showing? Why it is showing this one? Static int. Just a minute. How to create static variables, Snehal? Why it is showing error?
Sir, you are in the main method. Already you are using public static void main, right?
Okay. Before main. Just a minute. See, before main method, class level, declaration part. Okay. Non-static variables. Next, create one static method. So, Soumya, create one static method. Swapna, static method. See, public, static. Suppose I don't want written any value. Void, add, open curly braces. See. Addition of a comma b is concatenate a plus b. Concatenate a plus b. This is static method. Class level. Earlier asked Madhavi how to create static class members using
Static.
static. What is that static? Non-access modifier. Say, observe. You asked how to create. See, before that, how to create static class members using static. What is the static? Modifier, non-access modifier. Any confusion, Madhavi? Still confusion? Say yes or no. You asked the question.
Yeah.
We use static non-access modifier for creating static class members. Okay. These are static class members. Suppose non-static method. Non-static method. Public void suppose add 2. Add 2. Addition of C comma D message is concatenate C plus D. Okay. Next, see, observe. In this example, we created static and non-static class members. See, this selected statement, static variables. Next statement, non-static variables. Next, static method. Next, non-static method. Non-static method. Okay. Next, program execution starts from main method. Now, Sindhu, now I want to access static class members. I want to access static class members. How to access? Tell me, access static class members. Shalini, respond. Say yes or no.
Sir, class name.
Using class name. Using class name. Say. You can print. Suppose SYSO. What is the class name? File handling. File handling dot A. It's a variable. We are accessing static variable. Next, static method. Static method. Okay, static for static method, it's not required. file handling dot add. Run the program. See, a value 10, addition of ab is 30. See, we are accessing static class members, variables and methods using class name. Next, access non-static class members. Tell me, Swapna, how to access non-static class members? Using
the class name.
Class name, static class members. Non-static.
Using object.
Good. Using object, or you can say instance of class.
Okay.
Instance. How to create object? You know the syntax. Create object. How to create object? How to create object in a class? Just a minute.
Object name.
Just a minute. Creating object in a class. Tell me the syntax. Syntax.
So is this a object name?
Object name, no. Snehal, creating object in a class. Syntax.
The class name.
Class name.
Class name, object name equal to new class name.
Yes, class name. Here, instance variable. After this statement only, it will become object. Instance variable equal to continuous Snehal. Equal to new keyword.
Class name.
Again class name. Class name. Next, semicolon. Okay. Say file handling. Next, suppose obj equal to new file handling semicolon. Next, you can use object obj dot c semicolon. Say access non-static class members. Say display statement. Obj dot a static na c. Next method obj dot add to C30 40 70. C output 30. A output 10. Add 30. See 10 30 30 70. Run the program. See, 10, 30, 30, 70. Okay, now, Snehal, accessing static and non-static class members?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. See example for accessing static and non-static class members. See, next come to mainstream inheritance. See, we have two types of inheritance. Third type Java won't support. See, total three types of inheritance. Total three types of inheritance. First one, single level inheritance. Single inheritance. Inheritance. Example, class B. Class B extends class A. Class B extends class A. Next, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Example, see, class B extends class A. Next, class C extends class B. Understand this usage, Sindhu? Class B extends class A. Class C extends class B. For class C, class B is the superclass. For class B, class A is the superclass.
Yes, sir.
A is grandparent, B is parent, C is child. See, this is multi-level inheritance. Next, multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. See, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance due to diamond problem. You know not diamond problem, Snehal?
No, sir.
See, class B extends class A. Next, class B extends class D. See, Java doesn't support this one. Suppose class B extends class A and class D. Suppose if same method names available in class A and class D, then confliction. That is diamond problem. So Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Tell me, Madhavi, types of inheritance.
Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support.
Java doesn't support. Okay, I will show example. Concentrate. I will show example.
Yeah, but when you are going through roadmap, you said hierarchical inheritance also. What is the difference there?
This is hierarchical only, na? See, multi-level. C child, B parent, A grandparent. Hierarchical, na?
Okay, what is multi-level? It's same thing, hierarchical and multi-level?
Not same thing. Different parents. Observe. B extends A. A is parent in this scenario. Same B extends D. D is another class. Isn't it? Two different parents, na?
Yes, but it doesn't support.
It doesn't support this one. Due to diamond problem. What is the diamond problem? Observe. Suppose in A superclass, ABCD method is there and D also ABCD method is there. Confliction na accessing that method. Priority. Which one goes to first priority? Class A or class D?
Yeah, that means only inheritance two types.
Two types only. Not total three types, but it doesn't support this one, third one. Java doesn't support. Okay, two types. In Java, two types. What are the two types? Quick, don't drag the time. Actually, limited use concepts, all these are. Tell me, Madhavi, what are the two types of inheritance in Java?
Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance.
Multi-level inheritance. It doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay. Say I will show example. See, I'm creating new class. Suppose class A. Class A. Int A equal to 10. Int B equal to 20. Next, create one method. Public okay, static means this one, na? Class level. So public void addition. Open curly braces. Next, display. Addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Okay. Next, main method. Public static void main string args open curly braces. Next, access non-static class members using object you can access. See, class name A. Suppose my object, any name you can use, ABC also, equal to new class name A. Next, my object dot addition. See 30. Run the program. See, you can access variables also. My object dot A 10. Okay. This is one class. Next, create one more class. B. Class B. Extends. See, inheriting. Extends A. Extends A. See, int A equal to 100. Int B equal to 200. Next, here also one method, same name, public void. You can use other name also, addition, open curly braces, same. Addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Okay. Next, use main method. Public static void main string. Args, open curly braces. Next, Swapna, I want to access addition method from super class. Same method available in subclass also, but I want to access that method, addition method. Tell me how to access a method from how to access methods from super class. You need to create object now.
Yes, sir. So class name
is A na. Super class.
Yeah.
A. Yeah. Suppose obj1 equal to
new obj1.
New obj1. New A class name.
Yeah, new class name. Okay.
Class name. Okay.
Sir, class name is B over here.
See, we are creating object in super class. I want to access super class members. Snehal, don't confuse Snehal.
Okay.
I want to access super class members. That's why I'm creating object using super class. Any confusion?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, cool.
No.
Otherwise, obj1 dot addition. Next, I want to access addition method in home class.
Which class, sir? What did you
Home
say?
class. Home. Home means what is the home class?
Yeah, we can use B now.
B.
To create object.
B. Suppose obj2 equal to new new B semicolon. Next, obj2 dot addition. Observe. Run. What are the outputs, Sindhu? What is the first output?
First one is 30.
30. Second one is
300.
300. See, run the program. Observe Snehal. Showing now. See, observe. If you want to access class members from super class, use object in super class. If you want to access from home class, same class, use same class name. Any confusion?
Clear, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, this is second class. Next, one more class. See, grandparent, parent, child. One more class. See. C extends B. C extends B. Suppose same methods, or you can use different methods also. No issue. Suppose A is 1, B is 2. Next, I want to access Madhavi, observe my requirement. I want to access class members from the home class, same class. How to access? Create object in home class. How to create?
C.
Class name C.
Object.
Suppose obj1 equal to
New class name C.
C
Parenthesis.
parenthesis semicolon. Next,
Object.
you can access class members. Suppose I want to access variable A. Just a minute. obj1 dot A. What is the problem?
2 brackets open.
Okay. Output 1. Next, obj1 dot addition. This is 3. See, accessing.
I have a question.
Yeah.
If it is parent class and subclass, both of them different methods, can we use inheritance? No.
Yes, you can use. Same object creation is same pattern. You can use.
Okay.
See, observe. Suppose in the A class, one more method also there. One more method. Yes, you can use. No issue. Suppose this is subtraction. A minus B. See, you can access subtraction. Subtraction method not available in class B, available in super class only. How to access subtraction method? Using obj1 or obj2?
OBJ1.
obj1, yes. obj1 dot, good question, dot type yes, subtraction. What is the output? Minus 10. Run the program. Observe, Madhavi. 30 minus 10, 300 na?
Yes.
You can use different methods also. See, just I am using same method, but you can use different method. The only thing is, if you want to access class members from parent class, then create object using parent class. If you want to access class members from home class, then create object using home class name, isn't it? Okay. Using accessing class members from grandparent. Next, Shalini. Access class members from parent class. Parent class.
Okay, sir. Class name A.
Class name. What is the class name?
A.
See, now we are in class C. What is the parent for class C?
B.
B. Grandparent.
B.
Grandparent.
Grandparent
Just
is
a minute. The first one is accessing class members from home class. Isn't it? The C is home class na? Next parent class. Parent is B. Grandparent is A. Next
A.
parent class.
B.
B. Suppose obj2 equal to new B.
Parenthesis.
Okay. Say obj2 dot, suppose addition. The B addition 300. Here addition home class 3. Next, accessing class members from grandparent. Now tell me, Shalini, grandparent.
A.
A. Yes, A.
Class name.
Suppose obj3 equal to new A.
Close bracket.
Okay. Next, obj3 dot addition. This addition is 30. See, 330. Run the program. See, 330. This one is A value. See, 3 classes. Just a minute.
Sir, I have a question.
You
have created so many classes, previous sessions. I didn't see anything in under Java samples. Is there any reason, or you created new?
No reason. Only sample application. Only sample programs. No reason. You can create. You can use.
I didn't see all of them today.
See, I formatted my system.
Oh, okay.
See, due to that UFT, for UFT class, UFT software expires. That's why I formatted that system. Once we formatted the system, all C drive gone na. That's why today fresh folder, fresh workspace. If you use same system, it will store all programs. But yesterday only I formatted my system. What is the problem?
Just I was asking, like last sessions we saw all the program and all the classes under Java examples. Now I didn't see.
Just I formatted my machine in. I formatted my machine yesterday. No other reason. See, this is class 2. Just a minute. Next, class 3. Okay, na Swapna? Inheritance.
Yes, sir.
See, we discussed single level. Single level means class B extends class A. Suppose we are class C extends class B. This is multi-level. Next,